Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to compress and optimize your images for web without losing quality. So this is a transparent PNG that I have on my website. And if we look in Photoshop, this is the image I want to save. So let's do a save for web. And let's give it a height of 800. So you can see down here at the bottom, it's nearly 500 kilobytes as a transparent PNG. So the website you're going to want to open is tinypng.com. And here you can just drag and drop your image or multiple images, up to 20 images. And if you have multiple images, you can download them all or just click on the little download icon. And you can see it saved us 79%. So from 511 kilobytes all the way down to 109 kilobytes. And if we pull up the original and the compressed image, you can see they're very similar. I hope this video helps with your project. If it did, please like the video so others can find it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.